Welcome back, everybody, back out on the Z. It's a freaking nice ass day. I've been feeling a little under the weather lately. Haven't really had the urge to come out and ride for the last 2 or 3 days, but it feels good to get out. I'm only been out here a few minutes. It already feels good to get out here and get some throttle therapy. All right, let's get us a little warm-up wheelie in. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Holy cow. Oh yeah, we're feeling them today, boys. We're feeling them. I was dropping that thing back. I need to get a little piece of titanium on the back and honestly see if I can scrape it one day. Just go till I fall or till I scrape and get it. Those titanium little blocks that go on the back of the sub cages aren't cheap. They're like 50 bucks or 100 bucks. But they're pretty cool. I don't know, I kind of want one. There's a lot of stuff I've been wanting for the Z lately. Like I just ordered today, just a few hours ago. If you guys used to watch my DoorDash videos, I had kind of like a junky little phone mount holder that was like 10 bucks off Amazon, and it never dropped my phone and it got the job done. But it wasn't great. It kind of vibrated, made noises and got in the way. It was really big and not like secure on the bike. So when I switched handlebars, I didn't even transfer it over to these new Pro Taper bars. I still have that cheap mount, but I just didn't feel like using them anymore. So I finally ordered a RAM mount. So I got the RAM mount coming in, and that should be here within the next few days. And that'll be really nice for phone deliveries, number one, but also just, you know, it's a real secure phone mount, so it's not like kind of vibrating. And like I said, the other one didn't drop my phone, but this one will be a lot better. And the piece that goes onto the bar and clamps onto the bar just seems a lot better made. Let's go check out the lake real quick. But yeah, basically like the two good options that I know about for motorcycle phone mounts are the RAM mount and the quad lock. And the quad lock, I'm pretty sure, I haven't looked into it too much, but I'm pretty sure you have to have like their phone case or like some little thing on the back, so that's how it secures in there. And I like just the RAM mount style where it kind of clamps it. That's what I was looking for. So I have a few buddies that have those and they seem to really like them, but excited to get that in and try it. Whoa. Ooh, such a nice day. Speaking of stuff I've been wanting, I've also been looking at the 2022 Grom so much, like just the 2022 is in like the new style Groms. Then they came out with like a new body style and it's got 5 gears and everything like that. And I just really like how it looks. Like I really kind of want one. I don't know. The thing is, they're on Marketplace right now. Like if you go to a dealer, I think the MSRP is like $34.99 or $35.99, depending on if you get ABS or not, which I don't really care about ABS. But anyway, so like $34 or $35.99. But they're all over Marketplace for like $4,500 because all these dealership fees and everything like that. Like people are trying to get that out of them. But I saw one the other day for $3,600, and I was really about to snap on it. Didn't end up doing it. Probably should have, because it was a yellow one. I really liked the yellow. I wanted the yellow, but didn't end up doing it. It's just hard for me to justify since I already have this Z125, and it's like there's nothing wrong with it. I love it, and I already have it how I want it. It's got the Pro Taper bars, you know, the exhaust, what else do I have on it? I don't know, the bars, the levers. Oh yeah, the sub cage, obviously, that's a big one. That's gonna be a lot of money if I went with a new bike and want to get a sub cage on it. So it's hard to justify, but I really do want one. So I don't know, probably gonna keep my eyes out, see if I can't find a good deal. But there's nothing wrong with the Z125, so it's hard to justify. I love this bike. Ah, we're going in the grass. Whoa. But yeah, also speaking about the DoorDash videos, mentioned in those earlier, I do want to do a few more of those. People like seem to really like those, and that got a lot of views and everything. So a lot of people were asking for those, and I do want to do some more of those just every now and then. But hopefully now with this weather getting nicer and with me getting a new foam mount and everything, I'll want to do them more. So we'll see. It's a nice day. Let's see what's going on over here at the boat ramp. Oh yeah, it's starting to get more and more crowded. For sure. Nope, we're gonna retry that. Alright, y'all, let's get one more little wheelie in. I just started getting a blinking bar for my gas light, and I don't have my phone or wallet on me, so I'm not trying to get stuck out here. What do we see? Let's see a little third gear. Maybe not. Back far right there. Caught that brake. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Just went out for a little rip while the weather was nice. Had to. If you want the levers, bars, I'll throw the link for the bars and everything in the description. The exhaust, all that will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. I'll see y'all in the next video.